Lift it, baby. Oh. Oh. Block hopping. Rock bouncing. We'll probably crash in a minute. Bigfoot. Oh, Bigfoot. No. Last ingredient is your milk. I love motocamping. It brings me to tears. I love it so much. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, YouTube proudly presents you the road dog, Timmy Simpson, the badass, Greg Simpson, the bearded Grump. And if you're down with that, we got 4 words for you. Hit that subscribe button. I hope y'all enjoyed that little new intro there. If you're an old school wrestling fan, maybe you might recognize that maybe. If not, it's fun anyway. But today, me and Timmy's just gonna go playing around a little bit. We up in the mountains, and we didn't film none of the riding coming down here because it's just road riding. So on this little gravel road now, we're gonna go down here and find us a camp spot and try out something new. I found this little camp spot down here a while back. We're gonna go set up our tents and stuff, and then we're gonna go do some playing around, build up our skill on some dirt roads, see if we can find some new things to ride. Just hang out. Timmy's gonna cook us some salmon stew tonight. If y'all from the south, you might have had that before. If you're not, you probably don't know nothing about it, but you'll get to see it tonight. It's gonna be delicious. Well, we found our first little rough road of the day, leading down to our hopefully potential campsite, as long as nobody's down here. This is the kind of roads we're gonna try to find today and ride around on and play. Yeah, me too. That's what we're gonna try to find and see if we can do something a little different today. There's been people down here since last time I've been down here. We're gonna cut right through here. Ain't nobody in it, so we good. Let's go check this campsite out. Posted a short about this a while back. Well, not that long ago. Pretty cool one though. It's big. We probably actually get our bikes down here if we want to. And all these areas right here. Little fire pit with a little bit of trash in, of course, as always. Set up over there. The river right here. This is the Chalga River. I'm not going to tell you exactly where this campsite is. If you're from this area, you just have to find it because we might want to use it more too. And I don't want everybody, a bunch of people finding out. Just, you probably can find it if you're from this area. You probably know, but you know how it is. Got to keep some things secret. Well, we're going to get our stuff off our bikes, get our tents and stuff set up, and then we'll go see what kind of roads we can find to explore on today. We'll keep it fun. See what happens. And me and Timmy's doing something different today. We're doing camp to ride instead of ride to camp. I guess that's right. I don't know. Set our stuff up early and just go around and play around. See if we can find some stuff to play on, build our skill up a little bit. I was going to ask y'all a question out there in the YouTube land, all the people watching. I didn't know this, but Cheyenne Ledyard or ADV Gourmet asked a question the other day. Got a lot of response from it. If it was illegal to stand up on your ADV bike while riding. And in South Carolina it actually is, even on gravel roads if they're a public road. I didn't know that, but I think the law is probably bullshit because sometimes it's much safer to stand up, especially in gravel, to keep your bike more stable. But I don't know, I guess if you're just going down the road at 70 through traffic standing up, that might be an issue. But let us drop a comment down below, because he got a lot of response on Facebook with it. Drop a comment down below and tell me what y'all think about that law, or is it a stupid law? Because you know, every ADV rider stands up. A lot of them even stand up on the street. So yeah, drop that comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. And shout out to ADV Gourmet. Subscribe to his channel. All right, y'all. For anybody that watched a video a while back, I did went down this road and it was a big mud hole. I'm interested to see where it goes. I didn't go through the mud hole that day, but we're going to see if we can attempt it today since there's 2 of us. We'll see what happens. The suspense. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh, is this it? Oh, it ain't got no water in it. We can go right through it. It might be soft though. Unless you just want to plow through it. No, it ain't soft. We'll go through it. Oh yeah, nothing to it. Yeah, it didn't have water in it. Now we get to see where the road goes. Yeah! Beachfront power! Might be some camping down this road, y'all. Maybe. I don't like it gets traveled a whole lot. Well, we hit a dead end. We might be able to go up through there, or I might be able to. I don't know if Timmy wants to or not. We'll see where it goes. Yeah, we'll see where it goes, if it actually goes anywhere. Well, this hill don't go nowhere, so I'm not gonna climb the bikes up it. But look, we found a wild Timmy up here. It's a wild Timmy. He got found cigarettes and everything up here in the wild. Sit here and take a little break, relax a little bit. Look at this shot right here. Hold on. Look at this shot. Ooh, look at them two hotnesses down there. Oh, look at it. Let Timmy lead the way back out. Some Timmy cam, Timmy cam. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, blip it, baby. Oh. Oh. Rudy Poo candy ass. Oh god. Oh god, I'm about to hit that gigantic root. Block hopping, rock bouncing. We'll probably crash in a minute. Into the rut. I'm going into the rut. There we go. Oh, cross-rutted.
What is that? Hey, bear. Go ahead, bear.
Made it back to camp. Look, I want to show y'all something that another casualty of riding like I do sometimes. Look at that big old dent I kicked in my tank. I already did one up there a long time ago, but that one's brand new. That's a huge one too. I might have to get that repaired. I don't think it was on this camera. I think it was filming something for a short or something, so you might can watch it. It was like a little fakie or something. I dropped my bike, but just doing dumb stuff sometimes, playing around. Guess that happens. We get down here, get all this other stuff set up. Timmy's chilling by the creek down there, of course. Get my chair out, chill for a minute, and then let us rest. We'll see what we get into. Take y'all right down through this little area right here and let you see this, up through this river right here. I won't bust my ass. Check that out right there. It's cool looking. Just right on that thing. So peaceful down here, quiet. Just enough water noise to not be aggravating. Beautiful.
Okay, it's Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
It's my favorite time of the day. Timmy cooking time.
Yep, you can get it going.
We use charcoal, not cook on the fire even though we got the fire burning. We'll cook on charcoal, use the wok to cook up some salmon stew. We'll show you the process as it goes so y'all know how to make it. So you might want to eat some of that delicious stuff. Got some saltine crackers. Got to have saltine crackers with
Got to have crackers with it.
With the salmon stew. You got to have it. So get this burning. See what else the ingredients are. It ain't much. Pretty easy to make, really.
Yep.
Look at Timmy's food bag he brings. Look, it got all kind of condiments. Got some tongs in there, bags, seasoning, aluminum foil, a stove in there.
Some soul food.
Look at this little thing right here he just picked up. This is a pretty cool little salt and pepper shaker. The tops that screw off of there. Got your little shaker down there. Should be pretty tight where you don't get a lot of moisture in there. So if you like cooking on camping trips, this might be the trick right here. I like that.
Yeah, you might like the salt and pepper on your ham sandwich.
Yeah, I mean, I like that.
Or on your Roman.
I had one of these, something like this one time, and that thing would get all wet inside. This looks like it's pretty tight. So there you go. We got some ingredients over there, and yes, Timmy did bring that half a gallon of milk on his bike. There's some can of salmon over there, and saltine crackers, some butter. Some looks like chopped up potatoes. We'll see all what all he's got.
That'll be chopped up potatoes.
All right, Chef Timmy is now getting ready to prepare his meal with the double Q pink salmon.
Thank you, Double Q.
Sponsorship, please.
I love salmon.
It looks like dog food right now. Y'all, I'm sure all y'all probably eat salmon out of a can. I don't know. You gotta get that bone of that black junk out of there too. Timmy get all that.
That's the best part.
No, that's nasty part.
Huh?
That's nasty.
Really?
Yeah. There might be some bones in there too, y'all. You gotta get them bones out. A lot of heart attack waiting to happen for us, probably.
Cholesterol poisoning, man. We live in the South, man.
Yeah, ain't nothing, but it can't be nothing be cooked without butter. That's not humanly possible around here. All right, next to go in is some diced up potatoes. That ain't a must. A lot of people don't eat salmon stew with potatoes. Some people just put salmon in there.
Yeah, it adds some beefiness.
Yeah, it's a more hearty, is that how you say it? Hearty meal? Fills you up a little more if you put potatoes in it. Last ingredient is your milk. So you got canned salmon, you got potatoes, if you want to make it more hearty, and you got milk. It looks like a lot of milk. So that should make that's a lot of stew there, but it ain't that filling, believe it or not.
Look at it, y'all.
You got to eat a good bit of it to make it filling, right?
Let's do both.
Yeah. Hey, let me tell y'all a little secret about myself. I don't even like salmon. I don't eat it. If you grilled it for me, I wouldn't eat it. But I've always loved salmon stew ever since I was a kid. And I hadn't ate it in a while, like I said, because my wife's vegan. So, and all Timmy's doing now is putting it right on the coals. He put in some charcoal there. We tried to stack up some rocks so it holds it even. I didn't know he was gonna pour a whole half gallon of milk in there though, so that's got to cook for a little while. Just get hot, soften up the potatoes, cook the salmon a little bit, should be good to go. I love motocamping. It brings me to tears. I love it so much. I never want this to stop. I never wanted to stop. Oh God, Bigfoot! Oh, Bigfoot! No! There's the finished product. I know it's not going to look much different than what it started. Yeah, a little bit of yellow on top is the butter. You see that? But as you can see, it's boiling. So we're going to give it a good old taste test. I'm telling you, if y'all ain't never ate no salmon stew, boy. Woo-wee.
Gotta be careful.
Salmon stew. All right,
Don't stop me.
There's two types of ways to eat this salmon stew. Let me tell you this before we dip this out. I forgot this part. All right, there's the Timmy method, and which is most people probably. They pile a bunch of crackers in there and make it like a sloppy, mushy, I don't know, cream of wheat or something. I don't know what that. I just put mine in the bowl and I use my crackers to dip it out because I like crunchy crackers, not soggy ones.
Maybe he's a little more delicate than me.
Maybe. The only downside of this, you're supposed to have a big spoon to dip this out with. This is the only spoon we got, so you know.
Don't talk about me.
You can't be perfect all the time, you know. And one more thing, and thank goodness Timmy had some in his condiment pack. Texas Pete. Put some old Texas Pete in there too. Yeah. Spice that stuff up a little bit, makes it even better.
Hell yeah.
All right, Timmy cooked it. Timmy can taste test because I got my hands full right now.
It is a little bit hot. I feel like I got elected for president, and I'm gonna turn it down.
I knew I ran for the job, but I declined.
This is what I was hoping for. First time in the woods too.
We've been talking about cooking some salmon stew for a while, cause we good old Southern people, you know. And we never had it in the woods before. I know I hadn't. Timmy hadn't either, so. We're going to get to eating this delicious stuff right there. I see I got my crackers in my hand. We're not going to be chomping down with it in y'all's face, I guess, but highly recommend trying it. I know y'all Southern people probably have, but it's going to be delicious. I already know. Well, just as I said it would be and thought it would be, that salmon stew was delicious. And Timmy brought me a surprise with him. He told me he's got me some M&Ms. So that's even better. I'm completely happy. Because I get to eat M&Ms, I didn't have to buy them because I didn't even think about it, really.
I got me some too.
Oh, see? We can move munchers, boy. Sit in the tent and munch.
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Put on that winter fat.
Like I'm packing it in so we go into hibernation. Look, we got a view to the front of us, looking at water. The fire behind us. The mystic shot, see? It's a good day. You got to love moto camping. And me and Timmy said we built for this stuff. And I believe it, because you know why? Because we grew up with not having a lot and had a lot of brothers and sisters, so we had to do a lot of camping and stuff. And
poor men founded the country.
Yeah, and we're kind of we consider ourselves, I guess, by standards of the world, we're middle class, but we consider ourselves kind of poor, and I mean it's what America makes you feel like sometimes. So, but we enjoy this stuff, so I'd much rather be out here than be in any city and hotel ever in my life. I can guarantee you that. You gotta love this stuff. Love it. Well, good morning, everybody. We sat around and chilled last night, and it just got dark on us, and we didn't get to film anymore because we was just chilling, enjoying the time. Because I had an awesome time, to be honest with you.
Me too.
Even with kicking a dent in my tank, which pisses me off a little bit, but I'm still happy. I don't know why, but it's a good relaxing time. I guess that's what you do when you go motor camping. You get to relax, get away from life a little bit.
Yep. Nice spot, nice place.
Yeah, so it was awesome out here, good and quiet. It rained just a little bit, but nothing too bad. It's awesome, just an awesome night. So the moral of the story is, get out and enjoy your life. Do whatever makes you happy, because you only live once, and it's not very long, and you get old quick. So we're just gonna pack up everything, because we got a little bit of a mess, as you can see.
Yep.
But we're gonna pack up everything and head towards the house. So as always, we appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and notification bell. Follow along with us, help us grow the channel. Get out and enjoy your life. See y'all in the next one.
Thanks, everybody. If you can ride it all the way back there.
Oh!